Hello friends, today we're taking a fascinating journey into the world of butterflies, those small, colorful wonders fluttering through gardens and fields. But there's much more to them than just their beauty. In this video, we'll explore why butterflies matter, how they coexist with us, their magical life cycle, how they eat, and the threats they face in a rapidly changing world. So sit back, relax, and let's uncover the secret life of butterflies, one of nature's most delicate and truly amazing creatures. Butterflies play a vital role in keeping our planet healthy. As pollinators, they help flowering plants reproduce, allowing fruits, vegetables, and seeds to grow not just for us, but for animals too. But their role doesn't end there. They're also a key part of the food web, providing nourishment for birds, reptiles, bats, and even other insects. Their presence tells us a lot about the environment. Scientists call them bioindicators. If butterflies disappear from an area, it's often a sign that something is going wrong. They're sensitive to temperature, pollution, and habitat changes. That makes them one of nature's early warning systems. A field full of butterflies isn't just beautiful, it's a symbol of balance and health. But if we lose them, the ripple effects could be felt across the entire ecosystem. Humans and butterflies share more than just space. We've been connected for centuries. In schools, their life cycle, from egg to caterpillar to chrysalis to butterfly, helps children understand biology. The life cycle of a butterfly is one of nature's most breathtaking transformations. Scientifically, it's called complete metamorphosis, a four-stage process: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Each stage is completely different and completely essential. It begins with the egg. A female butterfly carefully lays her eggs, usually on the underside of a leaf. She doesn't choose a plant at random. She selects a host plant, one her caterpillars will be able to eat once they hatch. Butterfly eggs are tiny, sometimes smaller than a grain of sand. They can be round, oval, or even ridged, depending on the species. Inside each one, a tiny embryo begins to grow. In just a few days, or sometimes a few weeks, the larva emerges. That brings us to stage 2. The larva, or caterpillar. This is the feeding stage, and caterpillars are built to eat. They consume huge amounts of leaf matter from their host plant, growing rapidly and storing energy for what comes next. As they grow, caterpillars molt, shedding their outer skin, or exoskeleton, several times. Each new layer allows for more growth. Some species can increase their body mass hundreds of times during this stage. It's a short but crucial period, usually lasting a few days to a few weeks. When it's time, the caterpillar finds a safe, hidden spot. It anchors itself and begins to shed its final larval skin, revealing the pupa or chrysalis beneath. This is the transformation chamber. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar's body is broken down and completely reorganized. This process is called histolysis and histogenesis, where tissues dissolve and reform into wings, legs, eyes, antennae, even reproductive organs. It's a complete biological reprogramming, from a crawling larva to a flying adult. This stage may last several days, or even months, depending on species and environment. Some butterflies even overwinter as pupae, waiting for spring to emerge. Then the adult butterfly emerges. At first, its wings are soft, wet, and crumpled. It rests quietly, pumping hemolymph or insect blood through its wing veins to expand and strengthen them. Within an hour or two, the wings harden and the butterfly is ready for flight. As an adult, its mission is simple: feed, reproduce, and continue the cycle. It may live just a few days or several weeks, but in that time, it will pollinate flowers, mate, and, for females, lay the next generation of eggs. From the tiniest egg to a creature of flight, the butterfly's life cycle is a perfect example of adaptation, beauty, and the wonder of transformation.